Today we are going to make Maggi chicken bites. We have taken 4 boneless chicken thigh. Adding lemon, refined oil, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste. Coat the chicken pieces well. Squeeze in the lemon juice. I'm going to set this aside for half an hour. Here I separated the egg yolk from the egg white. Here I've taken 1 cup of flour, the marinated chickens. I'm dipping them into the egg white. Coat well with the flour. Adding refined oil. We are going to semi-deep fry these pieces. I'm frying the chicken strip. Coated with egg white and flour will make these crispy. I've put water on the stove to boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to put the Maggi in. Turn the stove off as soon as the noodle strands start separating. This step is very important. We have to rinse the Maggi with cold water as soon as it comes out of the pan. Let it rest to dry up. As we may see, the Maggi has totally dried up and there is absolutely no water. Now we'll be adding the Maggi masala. I am adding approximately 4 teaspoons of maida or flour. Also adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now I'm going to spread this Maggi on a flat surface. Dip a chicken piece into the egg white. Roll it on the bed of Maggi. Press it so that the Maggi gets stuck to the fried chicken. I'm heating the oil to deep fry the Maggi chicken bites. Flip them over. Maggi chicken bite.